we spent until 2 o'clock each morning the past 4 nights.
Right.
Getting it ready and that sort of thing. So,
It looks the part. So obviously pretty big Demon carby, supercharger.
yes.
It's a combi block, is it, or what's this?
No, it's a Type 1.
Okay.
Yeah, type 1 case.
So not very often you see, most of the guys obviously running turbos these days, not very often to see a that style of supercharger.
There's a few, but Ben likes the sound of it. This is Ben's car. So
Yeah.
he likes the sound of the supercharger. He had an older one on there, and it just didn't hold boost long enough.
Right, okay.
So he's upgraded to a new one that produces the boost no problem.
So what boost are they running?
This one peaked at 20 on the dyno.
Okay.
And will produce more than that, but at this stage, we're still in the developing stages.
Yep. So I guess you got to get
until it's sorted. We'll basically just run it as it is, 20% overdriven, and
yeah. Well, I suppose
develop
no point in having more horsepower if you're not getting it to the track anyway. So
we've pretty much got to figure out. Okay, let's get it to the track.
Yeah.
Get it to the end. Get it there quick, and then get in there quicker.
So you guys from Grizzy or Warwick?
No,
what are you
we're actually from Unanderra. Wayne Penrose's workshop is down at Unanderra in New South Wales.
Okay.
Wollongong.
There we go.
And we do the trip up here every year.
Nice.
This is one event we don't miss.
So you bought the rain?
Yeah, pretty much. Must have. It wasn't raining while we were down home though. So.
No, it's great. There's heaps of guys come up from down south. It's good to see.
Well, we got more numbers this year than last year, and last year we had 76. I think we're in the 80s this year.
Oh, okay. We'll have to check.
We
with Craig.
did an event at Eastern Creek, and we got 94, and that was for a full quarter mile, and that was all V-dubs as well. That was the beginning
Fantastic.
of this year.
So what do you run on the quarter with this?
He ran a 10.7 with the old blower.
Right.
So we don't know yet.
Mile an hour? Or mile an hour?
Mile an hour, I'm not quite sure.
Okay.
What mile an hour did you run, Ben?
When?
With the old blower on the quarter.
120.
Okay, that's
122.
122. Okay.
Yeah.
So
and that was with the old blower, which we estimate was only putting out about 5 pound boost.
So 60 foot times, you know what they are?
60 foot, no.
No. So obviously 122, 60 foot times must be pretty good.
Yeah,
Must get out of the hole.
I imagine they would be
pretty well.
So, yeah, I mean he's got 1500 of torque.
Right.
And that will go up once it goes back on the dyno.
Yeah.
It's got around about the 300 horsepower at the wheels. Nice. Again, that'll go up once it goes back on the dyno.
Yeah.
But it's in the development stages.
So do you guys run your own? You have an in-house dyno, or do you get it tuned elsewhere?
Wayne's got a friend that we go over to dyno.
Okay.
South Coast Rotaries. And he does the dyno. Wayne does all the mechanical work and that sort of thing.
Right. Yeah.
No, Wayne is just brilliant with these things.
So he's chief builder, designer, tuner, everything.
Pretty much, yes.
Okay.
Yep. He's got his oval, which is the fastest one in Australia, street registered.
Okay. Is that up here today? Or?
No, it's not up here. He couldn't quite get it ready, so he basically put more time into trying to get Ben up here and get Ben running.
Right.
So the oval stayed at home, and he's run a 10.13, I think it was, on the quarter with a street registerable oval bed.
Wow. That's running street tyres as well? Like
That's running slicks.
Slicks, okay. Yeah.
But they're a M&H semi-slick. So they're technically street legal, but yeah, they're a semi-slick.
So they are DOT approved, or they're not?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's street legal then.
Yeah. So yeah, I believe they're DOT.
That's street car.
But he's had the record a couple of times.
Right, for street-driven.
For street-driven registered oval. So yeah.
And hump fuel again? Like you running your regular
They're
pump
not
field?
anymore,
Yeah.
but yes, at the time, yes. Now it's more a case of he's trying to develop it to get not so much the street registerable, but just to see what he can get out of a car in full
Right.
street trim.
Okay, so it's still got all the interior, everything in there.
Still got
it's all-
headlinings, still got carpet,
Yeah.
still got a Venetian blinds on the back window.
Good.
You know, it's got the lot.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
he's
So-
basically just taken out. It's got a cage in it.
Yep.
It's tech inspected. He's just taken out the passenger seat and the driver's seat and put a race seat in. And that's for safety and also
Yeah.
to meet the
Andrus.
Andrus
Yeah,
specs.
yeah. So,
But that one's really quick. Then he's myself and with under Wayne's guidance built another car for myself. I've run 6.5 today.
oh right, okay. Where's your
So
car?
it's going well. It's over in this marquee just here. We've got all our cars
Okay.
here.
Yep.
It's the grey one. And then
Did you get out to have a run today? You
I
did
had
well?
3 runs
Yep,
today.
yep.
Started off at 6.9 and by the time we'd sort of feel comfortable, I ran a 6.5 on the last one. So
Excellent.
that was just before the rain. So it's got a little bit more in it, but 6.5 is around about it.
So what motor are you running in yours? What configuration?
I got a Type 1 turbo.
Turbo?
Draw through turbo.
Okay, nice.
2385. It's a basic street type motor.
Okay.
It could quite literally go into a street car.
Yep, yep.
It's not a massively high compression, but it's comfortable. The car's built for the
Safe.
drag car. Can't drive on the track on
Right.
the road. So, but yeah, all the cars are basically developed to go quick, rather than dump a heap of horsepower in it and
Blow up.
then try and get it going.
Yeah, yeah. So try and get some consistency, reliability.
That's it. Yeah, with mine it was basically build the car and put a motor in.
Yeah.
Not build a massive motor and build a car to put it in.
Right, okay.
So we built the car to go straight and it does that, and it's the same with Ben's. Build the car, develop the car, get it to go straight, then increase the horsepower and go again.
Right, okay.
And that's what this step is. So it's just constantly trying to get it to go quicker, but at the same time get it to do it safely
Yeah.
and in a straight line.